show you how I put together a really easy, budget-friendly meal. Now this is like semi-homemade because I am using some homemade items and I'm also using a box of au gratin potatoes. This is a nice little meal to put together. My grandkids like it, my husband loves it, so that's what I'm going to do. So anyway, with this, I have browned my burger. It's brown and it's real lean, so there's hardly any grease left in it. Hardly any grease in it whatsoever. But with that, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder, probably about a half a teaspoon, oh maybe a little more than that, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and also a half a teaspoon of onion powder in there. And then I'm going to open my box of au gratin potatoes. If I can get it open. There we go. And I'm going to pull out this seasoning packet right here. And I'm going to put that in there with that burger. And I turn my burner down. Okay, I'm going to put that all in there. Alright. I'm going to mix that all up. I got my burner down on medium low. Okay. Mix that up in there. I'm going to add my milk to that. 2/3 of a cup of milk. I'm also going to add 2 cups of hot water. Right there, 2 cups. Okay, I'm going to mix that up really nice. I'm going to do a little pepper. Okay, then I'm going to pour the potatoes in there. Mix it up a little. This is a nice meal for quick and easy, and I got my grandkids tomorrow, so I'm going to give them a little of this for their lunch as well. So with that, you could put mushrooms or anything basically in here you want. I'm just going to put, whoop, I made a mess. I'm just going to put a couple handfuls of veggies in there. And the ones that fell on my stove, of course. My stove is clean. Okay. Mix that up, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it down even lower, and I'm going to just put the lid on it and just let it simmer. Okay? And it's going to simmer for about 30 minutes, and when it's done I'll bring it back and I'll show you. It's really quick and easy and budget friendly. This meal probably cost me maybe $3 to make. So there you have it. As soon as it's done, I'll bring it back and show you how nice it turns out. Friends, I'm back. This is done. It's beautiful. Turned out really nice and it smells wonderful. Now with that, I'm going to do just one little extra. I'm going to put just about a 1/3 cup of sour cream in there. Okay? And that's it. I'm just going to mix that around in there just before serving. This turned out wonderful. And there you have it. A really easy, budget-friendly skillet dinner. Except mine's not a skillet. Mine's in a regular pan. But you can make it in a skillet. So I'll plate some up for the hubby and I'll show you how nice it turns out. My goodness, I don't got my light on. There. Now you'll be able to see it better. There you have it, friends. A really easy, nice meal. And it's budget friendly. Semi-homemade. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.